Hello all, I am Dr. Lakshmi Sharma, Assistant Professor, Department of Physics, Brijlal Biani Science College, Amravati. Welcome to my e-class of Physics. Today's class, I will start the Unit 4 for 6th Sem BSc final year. The name of the topic is Electrical Properties of Material. In this topic, we start with drift velocity. In this class, I explain drift velocity and expression for drift velocity. As you know, conductor consists of a number of electrons. These electrons are randomly oriented with a very high velocity. This velocity is known as thermal velocity. So, electrons in a conductor moves in random motion. This velocity is known as thermal velocity. When battery is connected, electric field is applied. Potential difference is created. One side becomes positive, other becomes negative. Electrons are drift in one direction from negative to positive, opposite to direction of electric field. They drift with a velocity known as drift velocity. I again repeat, what happens? When potential difference is created using a battery, electric field is applied. Due to influence of this electric force, electrons are drift in one direction from negative to positive. That is known as a drift velocity. The phenomena is known as a drifting of electron. In this phenomena, we get an electric current. Means when and only when electrons are moved with drift velocity, then and then we get an electric current. Clear? So, what is this drift velocity? जब बैटरी लगाएंगे कंडक्टर को, कंडक्टर का एक साइड बनेगा पॉजिटिव, एक साइड बनेगा निगेटिव. ठीक है. इलेक्ट्रॉन निगेटिव चार्ज, वो निगेटिव साइड से रिपेल होंगे और पॉजिटिव साइड के तरफ अट्रैक्ट होंगे. तो मोशन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन कैसे हुआ? निगेटिव से पॉजिटिव, एक डायरेक्शन में. तब इलेक्ट्रॉन्स एक्वायर अ ड्रिफ्ट वेलोसिटी. ठीक है. तो इसका ही एक्सप्लेनेशन हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं इस क्लास में. सो velocity acquired by electron after the application of electric field is known as drift velocity. Again repeat, velocity acquired by electron after application of electric field is known as drift velocity. Clear? So, in this expression for drift velocity, I use two concepts. One is acceleration. Acceleration, rate of change of velocity with respect to time. Clear? I again repeat, I use acceleration. Acceleration is rate of change of velocity with respect to time. And second, I use electric field intensity. Electric field intensity is the force experienced by charge. Electric field intensity is the force experienced by charge. Here charge is our electron. So what is the whole picture? That when battery is connected, electric field is applied, potential difference is created, electrons drift in one direction. That velocity is known as a drift velocity. It constitutes a current. When field is not applied, in absence of field, electrons are randomly oriented. there will be no current. But when field is applied, there is a current. Electrons are drifted with a drift velocity. There is also a collision. But after this collision, electrons are accelerated. So here, in this expression, we use this acceleration. Clear? So, drift velocity. Velocity acquired by the electron after the application of electric field. That is known as the drift velocity. Here I draw a conductor. So this is a conductor. In the conductor, electrons are randomly oriented. That means they travel in different directions. So these are the electrons and they travel in different directions. Like this electron in this direction, this be in this direction, this be in this direction, this in downward, and this be in this direction. There are a number of electrons, but I draw 4 or 5 electrons. This random motion of electrons, it does not constitute any kind of current, no electric field. But when electric field is applied, so see here, I use a same conductor. So this be again a conductor. Here I draw a conductor. And when battery is connected, so there is a battery. So when battery is connected, positive terminal, negative, positive, negative terminal. So when battery is connected, electrons are drift in same direction. So again, here I draw some electrons and they all moving from negative to positive. All the electrons moves with negative to positive. As I already stated, electrons is negatively charged. This side is positive when battery is connected. This side becomes negative after the connection of battery. Electron negatively charged, which are repelled by this negative side and attracted towards this positive side. That is, electric field is applied. This will be the direction of electric field, positive to negative. Electric field denoted with E. So electrons moves with a velocity opposite to direction of electric field. That velocity is known as a drift velocity. And then we constitute a current. And this drift velocity is denoted with Vd. Okay. So let's find the expression for drift velocity. Vd be the drift velocity. Here we use acceleration A, that is equals to rate of change of velocity with respect to time, v minus u divided by t. Rate of change of velocity with respect to time, a is equals to v minus u by t. So here rate of change of velocity with respect to time, this acceleration has value a is equals to Vt divided by tau. Electron starts with some velocity and collide with the atom. Its velocity is 0. In this collision, it again gains some velocity and it's further take part in motion. It further take part in conduction. So this average velocity is known as a drift velocity. So A is equals to Vd by tau. So Vd is equals to A into tau. Let it be equation. Okay, A is equals to V minus U by T. A is equals to Vd by tau. Vd is equals to A into tau. Now again I use E is equals to F by E. Force experienced by the charge. E is equals to F by E. Here E be the electric field, F be the electric force, and small e be the charge on electron. So from this F is equals to small e capital E. That is force is equals to small e into capital E. We also know that force is equals to mass into acceleration. It is a famous equation in mechanics. Here we consider the motion of electron, that is mechanics of electron, electrical mechanics. So F is equals to mass into acceleration. We combine these equations of force. F is equals to EE, F is equals to MA. So MA is equals to MA equals to small e into capital E. Therefore, A is equals to small e capital E divided by M. Put this in equation 1. So equation 1 becomes equation 1 implies Vd equals to small e capital E into tau divided by M. This is the expression for drift velocity. So here for calculation of Vd, A is equals to V minus U by T. Rate of change of velocity with respect to time. Here acceleration is equals to Vd by tau. Change in velocity, that is average velocity acquired by electron after the application of electric field, that is drift velocity. And time, we take it as a tau, relaxation time during a average time during a collision. So Vd is equals to A into tau. Let it be equation 1. So second equation is here. Second equation, E is equals to F by E. Electric field intensity is the force experienced per unit charge. So F is equals to small e into capital E. Small e charge on electron, capital E electric field. So F is equals to mass into acceleration. This is again the equation of force. With these two equations, we may write MA is equals to small e into capital E. So A is equals to small e capital E divided by M. Now put this value of acceleration in equation 1. So equation 1 becomes Vd is equals to small e capital E tau divided by M. This is the expression for drift velocity. Clear? So what is drift velocity? Velocity acquired by an electron after the application of electric field. Or Vd equals to small e capital E tau divided by M. BD is equals to small e capital E dot divided by M. Thank you.